Welcome to this in-depth review of Clickadu, a digital advertising network that's been around since 2014 and is widely known for offering various ad formats like pop-unders, in-page push, and push notifications. If you're a publisher looking to monetize your website traffic or a webmaster trying to squeeze more revenue from Tier 2 and Tier 3 traffic, this platform might have caught your attention. Right from the start, Clickadu presents a modern-looking dashboard. Signing up is relatively easy, but account approval might take longer than some other networks. You'll need to submit your website, and they do review each one manually. This is good for quality control, but it might be frustrating for newer publishers looking for instant access. Once you're in, the dashboard is clean and intuitive. On the left side, you'll find navigation options for websites, statistics, payments, and settings. Adding a new site is straightforward. Just enter your domain, select the ad format you want to use, and wait for approval. From my experience, pop-unders get approved faster than push formats. Clickadu shines when it comes to the variety of ad formats. You get pop-unders, which are their most lucrative option, followed by in-page push ads and traditional push notifications. There's also skim ads and video pre-rolls, but the performance of those heavily depends on your niche and user engagement. Revenue performance was mixed for me. For pop-under ads, CPM rates ranged from 50 cents to $3 depending on the geo. Tier 1 traffic pays decently, while Tier 3 can be underwhelming. Push ads generated lower CPMs, but added up nicely over time. You can set frequency caps to avoid annoying your users too much, but expect a minor hit to revenue when you do. Payments are another strong point. Clickadu offers payments via PayPal, Paxum, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and wire transfer. Minimum payout is $10 for most options, and you can choose between weekly and monthly payments. I tested PayPal and received payments reliably, although support can be slow to respond to payout-related queries. Many useful links you can find in the description. Support overall is decent, but nothing special. You get a dedicated manager if your traffic volume is high enough, otherwise, you rely on ticket-based support. Response times vary, and the knowledge base is limited compared to larger ad networks. One of the biggest downsides is that Clickadu's pop-under ads can sometimes lead to lower quality offers, including adult-themed or misleading ads, depending on your site's niche. You can disable certain ad categories, but not everything is filterable. This might impact user experience and SEO if not handled carefully. In terms of analytics, the stats panel offers real-time data, which is helpful, but deeper segmentation is limited. You won't get advanced filters or breakdowns by device or ad placement unless you're using third-party analytics in parallel. Overall, Clickadu is a viable monetization solution, especially if you're dealing with international traffic or looking to supplement existing revenue streams. However, it's not without its flaws. If user experience is your top priority, you may need to make compromises, especially with intrusive ad types. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and monetization tips.